Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create the deep effect wallpaper on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can use Samsung's AI to apply a layer depth effect on your wallpapers. So it's making certain elements float above the background for a 3D lock screen effect. So let me show you how to do this. So in order to do this, you need to first go ahead and open up the Galaxy Store. From the Galaxy Store, we need to go ahead and download an app called Good Lock. Go ahead and download this app. Once downloaded, go ahead and open it. Now from the Good Lock app, you'll need to install a module called Lockstar, which is right here. Go ahead and install this module. So this will allow you to add app widgets, favorite apps, and all these on your lock screen. Now once that's done, press home, go to your gallery, go ahead and open up a image where you want to create the depth effect. So for example, this one here, I'll go ahead and long press on it. So I just want to extract the image from the background. Next, I'll go ahead and tap on the three dots and I'll tap on save as an image. So now this will save as an image and it'll basically save it as a PNG and we'll make this transparent. Now once that's done, I want to go ahead and long press on my home screen, tap on wallpaper and style, then go ahead and tap on the lock screen. Next, I'll go ahead and tap on Lockstar. Next, I'll go ahead and tap on app widgets and we'll go ahead and find the gallery widget. Go ahead and tap on this first one, add that widget. Now we'll go ahead and drag this in the center and we'll go ahead and tap on the widget settings. So here we want to go ahead and display this image. Done. Tap it in again because sometimes it doesn't just set it, so you need to do that again. As you can see, it's now done. Here you want to go ahead and make sure it's selected as center and fill widget. Then press save. Now you want to go ahead and increase the size. Go ahead and increase this. Now you can go ahead and increase the size of this. So as you can see, this is creating a depth effect. So you have your clock at the back and you have your image in the front. So it gives a aesthetic appeal to your lock screen. It gives your lock screen a modern and a dynamic visual experience. And also it adds depth and uniqueness to your wallpapers. So once you're happy, you can go ahead and press done. Now press home. And now when you look at your lock screen, this is how it looks like. So there you go guys, that's how to create the depth effect wallpaper on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.